What is going on, everybody? Hope that you guys are doing great, and I hope that you guys are having an amazing day. And what I want to tell you guys a little bit about today is how to move your business forward. Okay, how you can move your business forward in these kind of tricky times. You know, a lot of people are retreating, a lot of people are like not moving forward, a lot of people are, you know, like panicking pretty much, and a lot of businesses are struggling. So how do you actually move your business forward? And some of the stuff that my clients have been doing, and myself and my companies have been doing to actually keep the cash flow coming, keep the stuff happening. Okay, so that is something that I want to share with you guys today. So in the meantime, if you're here for the first time, let me know, put a 1 in the comment or something like that. If you have been around for a little bit, just let me know as well. And also something really important, really important announcement is that I'm going to be releasing a new program pretty soon. So if you want to learn about what the program is going to be called Perfect Ads. You guys chose it, you guys decided that that was the name that you guys wanted. So go to hernanvazquez.com/wait to sign up for the waiting list, and that's gonna be pretty cool. So hope that you guys are doing well, and let's jump right into the 3 ways, the 3 things that you can do today to actually move your business forward. So I was talking to one of my coaching clients. I do some coaching for entrepreneurs that want to get, you know, ahead in business, and he sells a high ticket course. He sells a high ticket program. It's 3,000 euros. And, you know, he was talking to a lot of people, and, you know, apparently not a lot of people had the opportunity to actually invest 3,000 euros. So the first thing that we came up with for this program was to set up a payment plan. So let's say that you're selling something like a high ticket coaching package. You're selling something for $5,000, you're selling something for 3, for 2, and you're noticing some resistance in your marketplace. The first thing that you can do, whether we're in crisis or not, it doesn't really matter. So offer a payment plan. And what you can do, let's say that your product is like $5,000, you can offer a 2 payment plan of $2,800, or a 3 payment plan of whatever that is, like $1,800 or something like that, maybe a little bit more, like $2,000, okay? So payment plans really do allow you to actually sell the same stuff, but actually make it more attainable for people in your marketplace. So doing some sort of payment plan usually helps a lot. So the first thing that we decided to do is, instead of selling the course for one lump sum of 3,000 euros, we decided to divide that, and so 3,000 euros is around $3,500, you know, just so you know. But we decided to divide that into 2 and 3 payment plans. So this is mostly closed on the phone. So if somebody talks to you and say, hey, I cannot afford it, well, don't worry about it. You know, we have this payment plan available. And there's some other funding options, like I think that's PayPal credit and all of that you pay PayPal out of the business that you're generating. So those are really convenient options that you can actually go ahead and explore when you're trying to sell during this time of crisis, or when you're getting a lot of no's on the phone. Okay, so that is number 1. The other option that is working really well right now is, and this is what you can do right now to move your business forward, is low continuity programs. Okay, so this is another thing that you can go ahead and do and deploy. Okay, so one of the things that we went ahead and with this client, what we decided to do is, hey, listen, we have option A, which is 1 lump sum of 3,000 euros. We have option B, which is 3 payment plans of 1,200 euros or something like that. And we have option C, which is a low $100, 100 euros a month payment, where you would join and you will get the same benefits, you will get access to the community, but you won't get the support, right? So let's say that your entire package, your entire program consists of 6 weeks of calls plus a members area. Well, they can pay for something monthly, and they won't be getting the support that you will give them to somebody that pays a higher ticket price, but they still get access to that information that they need. Okay, so low ticket continuity programs, and these are also applicable to anything that you can think of. So let's say that you have that you are a local chiropractor. Instead of getting people to come and, you know, spend like $700 or something like that, they can spend, you know, $100 a month for 7 months or something like that. Now, again, people are on their houses right now, so you can pivot, and this is something that we're doing right now. A lot of local clients of mine, I'm advising them to pivot into the online realm. So for instance, let's say that you have that you're a chiropractor, then you can offer online self-massage classes or online self-stretching classes and all of that. You can actually sell your products, as if it were an e-commerce store. You can put together a Shopify store, and if you need email for Shopify, okay? So it's a little bit about thinking outside of the box. And the third thing that I really, really recommend that you guys start thinking about is this: build audiences. The reason why I'm telling you guys that it's a really big opportunity right now to build audiences is because there's a lot of people that are pulling away from advertising. The CPMs plummeted, like the cost per 1,000 impressions, what Facebook or Google are charging you or used to charge us as advertisers to actually advertise on Facebook or Google, mostly on Facebook, they're really low right now. So one of the things that you can do is to put your best content out there, create videos like this one, like the one I'm doing right now. You don't need to be all fancy with a whiteboard with, a suit or with a jacket, just trying to think that you're professional or something like that. No, now you don't need to do that. What you need to do is to pull out your phone, record really simple to follow tutorials on your phone, and you can screencast or share your screen with something like a Loom video, and you can put that out there and actually run those at video views. As you keep on building audiences within the platform, what's going to happen is that you can use these audiences for the next 365 days. So when everything else goes to normal, when everything else comes back to normal, when you are able to go out and leave your house, which I'm not, I'm like 24/7 quarantine, been doing this for 10 years, so it doesn't change that much. But maybe you wanna go out, maybe you wanna go to Starbucks. When you're able to go to Starbucks, right, then you will be able to use those audiences. You will be able to use those audiences for the next 365 days, okay? So again, just to recap, 3 quick things that you can do right now to move your business forward in this season. Number 1, offer payment plans for anything and everything that you can think of. You can offer a payment plan. Again, go ahead and explore PayPal credit or some other funding options. There's a lot of people receiving credits and grants and funding right now for entrepreneurs and business owners. Low continuity programs. If you haven't been thinking about launching this is a great idea right now to have a low continuity program, and you can actually go ahead and develop that. And then building audiences is actually a good investment right now, because you can spend like $1 a day and you will be able to get a lot of reach for your money. So this will allow you to build audiences that you can then go ahead and market to for the next 365 days, which is awesome. All right. And if you want to learn more about this new program that I'm cooking, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be called Perfect Ads: How to Build Advertising That Works in Any Market, in any industry. So bullish market, bearish market, industry, no coronavirus, whatever that is, I'll show you how to put together advertising that actually works in any market, in any niche. If that's something that you want to learn how to do, go to hernanvazquez.com/wait, Hernan Vazquez, which happens to be my name, .com/wait. Sign up for the waiting list, because we're going to be launching at a really low discount, and I think you guys are gonna love it. So thank you for hanging out with me for a little bit. Let me know if you have additional questions, and I hope that you guys are safe. Hope that you guys are doing and moving forward your business. There's always opportunity when this crisis comes, and thank you guys for hanging out with me. I'll talk to you guys really, really soon. Bye-bye.